Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Subhanallahi.
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my third lesson in understanding the quranic vocabulary. So inshallah today we'll start with the where and some of the questions that are there present in the Quran. Inshallah, so let's get started. Bismillah. So fawqa means a verb up. Fawqa means a verb or up. Tahta means under. Tahta means under. Bayna yadi in front of. Bayna yadi in front of. Bayna yadi in front of. Khalfa means back or behind. Khalfa back or after. Khalfa. Imama means in front of. Amama means in front of. Amama means in front of. Wara means behind. Wara means behind. Yameen is for plural and it means right or oath. Yameen, right or oath. Shimal, left. Shimal, left. Baina, between. Hawla, around. Haythu, wherever. Aynama, wherever. Let's go with the questions. Ma, what, that, which. Ma means what or that which, depending on the statement. Man means who, the one who. The one who. Mata, when, the time when. Mata, when, the time when. Aina, where. Kaifa, how. Come, how many. Ayyu, which. Anna, where from, why. Alif or hal, if there is any statement with in front of alif or hal, it means this kind of question like is or am or do, have, depending on the these words are there for the English, depending on the when you translate to English, we depending on the sentence we can use any of this following alif or hal. Is, am or do, have. Ma'ada, what. Lima, why. Limada, why. Lima or limada, why. Lawla, if not, why not. If not, why not. So let's recap once again, inshallah. Fawqa, a verb, up. Tahta, under. Bayna ayadi, in front of. Khalfa, back, after. Amama, in front of. War'a, behind. Yameen, right, oath. Shimal, left. Bayna, between. Hawla, around. Haythu, wherever. Aynama, wherever. Ma, what, that which. Man, who. Mata, when. Aina, where. Kaifa, how. Kam, how many. Ayyu, which. Anna, where from. Why. Alif or hal, is, am or do, or any of these questions. Mada, what. Lima, limada, why. Lawla, if not, why not. Alhamdulillah, we have covered lesson 3. We'll start with lesson 4, inshallah. Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.